Today we're diving into option Greeks, the hidden forces that control option prices and decide whether you profit or lose. Think of options trading like driving a Ferrari. It looks amazing and moves fast, but without understanding what's under the hood, you're headed for a crash. That engine under the hood? That's the option Greeks, the fundamental mechanism powering every move you make in options trading. Now, let's pop open the engine and explore each component so you can master these elements and become a truly skilled trader. Option Greeks are the key factors that control how your option price behaves when the market moves. Three forces shape option behavior: price moves, time passes, and volatility changes. Every trader must know four main Greeks: delta, gamma, theta, and vega. Rho measures interest rate effects, but you'll rarely need it in practice. Let's start with delta, which measures how fast your option price changes. Think of delta like a speedometer showing how quickly your option responds to stock movements. If your call has delta 0.5 and the stock jumps 10, your option gains 5. High delta means fast movement like a rocket, while low delta means slow movement like a bicycle. Call options have delta from 0 to 1, while put options range from 0 to -1. A delta of 0.9 moves like a rocket, responding almost instantly to price changes. A delta of 0.1 moves like a bicycle, barely budging when the stock shifts. Now let's explore gamma, which measures acceleration in your options movement. If delta is speed, then gamma is acceleration, showing how delta itself changes. Gamma tells you how much delta will change when price moves. High gamma creates fast-changing delta and quick profits or losses, while low gamma keeps movement stable. High gamma options behave like crazy sports bikes, thrilling but risky. Next is theta, the silent killer that erodes option value through time decay. Theta is your best friend as an option seller, but your worst enemy as a buyer. Time decay works like ice cream melting in the sun, disappearing if you wait too long. Theta equals -5 means your option loses 5 every day. Vega shows how volatility changes affect your option price, like a weather forecast. Think of Vega as the weather report of options, predicting price swings from market uncertainty. High volatility drives option prices up, making them expensive to buy. Low volatility brings option prices down, making them cheaper to purchase. Buying options in high volatility is like buying an umbrella during rain, overpriced. Finally, there's Rho, a bonus Greek that tracks interest rate effects. Rho measures how interest rates affect option prices, though most traders never notice it. Rho is like the smallest gear in an engine, important but rarely noticed. Let's recap all the Greeks in just 20 seconds. Delta equals speed, measuring how fast your option price moves. Gamma equals acceleration, showing how quickly delta itself changes. Theta equals time decay, like ice cream melting away each day. Vega equals volatility sensitivity, tracking how market swings affect your option. Rho equals interest rate effect, though it has minimal impact for most traders. Greeks help you understand how your option will move before you enter the trade. Different traders focus on different Greeks depending on their strategy. Option buyers prioritize delta, gamma, and vega to capture directional moves and volatility. Option sellers focus on theta, delta, and low vega to profit from time decay. Buying without Greeks is gambling, but trading with Greeks is strategy. If option Greeks finally clicked for you, hit that like button and share this with every trader you know. Subscribe to Money Mastery for simple, powerful lessons that guide you toward financial freedom and real wealth creation. Up next, we're diving into something even more exciting that builds on what you just learned. Option Chain Mastery will show you how to read the chains, use them effectively, and predict where the market's headed. Until then, stay consistent, stay disciplined, and keep mastering your money.